DEAVA Decentralized Actor Viewer Architecture employs WebSocket and OmniHash to synchronize views and interactions for 3JS 3D animation objects. The lightweight nature of all three components involved, namely WebSocket, OmniHash and 3JS, makes DEAVA perhaps one of the very few viable solutions for viewing and interacting with data objects in the ultra-high bandwidth Internet Metaverse of 2026. Underlying DEAVA is the I2P Invisible Internet Project Router, which we have successfully tested and deployed HTTPS proxy to WebSocket on Firefox desktop browser. The browser on the left with pink text and the browser on the right with blue text are both connected to a Python WebSocket server displaying messages in the terminal screen at the bottom. When the user click on the left browser and drag the pointer, it moves the text, and the coordinates are sent to the WebSocket server, which then sends them to the browser on the right, where an event listener function will move the text accordingly. The event listener function code is shown in line 406 to 413, proving the simplicity and lightweight of 3JS code to synchronize views on the viewer browser on the right with the actor browser on the left. Hence the name Decentralized Actor Viewer Architecture. To summarize the significance of DEAVA in plain English, imagine instead of you reading this sentence in text, the information is delivered to you in full 3D animation and HiFi audio plus techno background music, much like how gamers already live their daily lives, and while doing this, your comments will be monetized using OmniHash, and you will earn cash money if your comments become popular and become part of the collective digital assets of the metaverse. This idea may sound strange to you, but it is already done by RE services to harvest prompts from users to make them more intelligent, without even sharing the profits with the users. So you may view OmniWorld DEAVA as a 3D animation upgrade of your plain text RE prompt, with the added benefits of paying you back the incomes generated from your comments or personal data, where OmniHash helps you define the ownerships of your own digital assets. OmniWorld DEAVA is not only a grand vision but something you may participate directly and immediately, and can grow quickly to become a trillion-dollar project like Bitcoin, because it has two miraculous magical ingredients, namely OmniHash and PhosScript, which solve some of the most crucial problems in large-scale software engineering projects, namely ownerships of digital assets, and simplified and unified programming interface. PhosScript is a stack machine interpreter embeddable in any known programming language, to translate expressions in forth-like reverse polish notation into the host programming language syntax, thus providing a simplified and unified metaprogramming script that is easy to learn as well as powerful enough for large-scale complex systems. OmniHash ensures the ownerships of digital assets including source code written in PhosScript or other programming languages are well defined, thus providing incentives for users and programmers to share their code and build up their teams and networks of associates to develop and grow their projects, which can eventually become a part of the decentralized Omni web ecosystem. DEAVA ensures the benefits of PhosScript and OmniHash are quite literally visible, so that users and programmers are again motivated to participate and recruit associates to grow their own teams and networks. Another way to describe OmniWorld DEAVA is that we will remake Bitcoin and ChatGPT in 5 years, using simple tools like those used in online games, and you immediately own part of this futuristic metaverse, from today, now. The videos you are viewing now were generated by Grok. Hopefully in 1 year's time, OmniWorld can do the same and you will be making money from your contribution, instead of paying others for RE services.